Bestie, so a lot of y'all ask me, how do you get your perfumes to last? A lot of y'all ask me how to get your body sprays to last a long time. And a lot of y'all know, like, with certain scents, because since, like, alcohol are inside of these, if you keep them directly in the sun, it will smell like alcohol. And my mama found that out. So she got like rid of some of her scents, but then she was like, how do mine still last long and still smell strong? And the tip, bestie, the best tip I can give y'all is please keep your body sprays in a freaking dark space. And y'all, and I bet you're saying, then why a dark space? Because since it's dark, when stuff comes into contact with sun, it can make it you like do like I'm not no science person, but basically you know what I'm saying. It'll just make the scent smells like alcohol. So the best tip, like I still like I now my first like the whole scent that started my whole collection was strawberry pound cake. I remember buying that from eBay for back in 2021, and it still smells strong. And I got it in the body wash, in the body lotion, and the body spray, and it still smells strong. And a lot of people ask me how, because you got to keep your sense of dark. You got to keep your scents in a dark place. If you're not keeping your scents inside of a dark place, bestie, they will smell bad. And that's from like 2021. Like this, bestie, I bought this back in June of 2021. So it smells strong and lasts. Now, this lasts about a good 4 to 3 hours on your this lasts about a good 3 to 4 hours on your skin, but it still smells like very loud. And I bought this back in 2021 June, and it still smells loud. In the tip how is to keep it in a dark place. So a lot of y'all know I keep my body sprays right there, and there'll be no sun, no nothing. It be inside of a dark place. So that's how my scents last, bestie. But bestie, I hope this video helped, bestie. And until next time.